Hi everyone, Elizabeth here. Today we're in the kitchen getting ready for a backyard barbecue. Summer's coming, it's heating up, and I'm all about those easy, no-bake recipes. So today I've got a super simple avocado corn salad with a citrus dressing, and my friends over at Good Cook are here to help me out with their new tools. So in today's salad, we're just going to dice up some avocados. We've got fire roasted corn, cilantro, tomatoes, a little bit of jalapeno for a kick, red onion, garlic, and then we're gonna make a super simple citrus dressing to go on top. In there we've got olive oil, a little salt, orange juice, and fresh lime juice. First thing going in is we're just going to get these avocados halved. There's nothing worse than opening a hard avocado, a brown avocado, or an avocado that has one of those ginormous pits and you're like, I just got shafted on my avocado. It's terrible. Let's see, are you ready? My lovely assistant picked out some good avocados today. If you're an avocado lover like me, then you need to get one of these handy tools. I love this because it's a 3-in-1 tool made by Good Cook, and not only does it slice and dice your avocados, but it pits them safely and easily. No more accidentally cutting your hand, it just pops right out. Boop. The next thing about this tool that is so cool, it will slice and dice your avocados for you so fast. I love this 3-in-1 avocado tool made by Good Cook because it pits, slices, and scoops your avocados easily. Oh, how easy was that? We've just got a few more simple ingredients going into this fresh avocado corn salad. So we're gonna put in some fire roasted corn. We've got some halved cherry tomatoes. These are so great in the summertime. A little bit of jalapeno because I like a little heat. You can leave it out if you want. Some freshly chopped cilantro for a little bit of earthy herbalness. Smells good. Okay, and just half a red onion finely diced. And a little bit of garlic. So you're just going to want to gently toss this up a little bit. You don't want to bruise those avocados. So just give it a nice few folds until everything's combined. And then we're going to add in that fresh citrus dressing. Oh, this is smelling so good already. That dressing is just going to bring everything together. To make this super easy citrus dressing, I'm going to use this citrus juicer made by Good Cook. We can just go ahead and pour the juice right into the bowl because this citrus juicer is double-sided and it'll catch all the pulp for you. To finish off the citrus dressing, I'm just going to add in a little bit of olive oil, a dash of salt, and then just a few turns of cracked pepper, and you are good to go. Ooh, she is smelling so good. I'm one of those types of people that can literally eat chips and guacamole like all afternoon long, so this is my kind of summer salad right here. Our salad is ready. It looks beautiful. I love serving this up right on its own as a side dish, but it's also great to serve with some tortilla chips as an appetizer. This is one of my favorite ways, and it's a great way of taste testing it while you're making it. It's bright and flavorful. It's a little bit fruity with the corn. It's salty and sweet, and that fresh cilantro and fresh lime juice brings every flavor out. It's perfect for summer. I also love serving this salad up with some fresh grilled chicken and shrimp skewers. It's a great, easy topping to serve up at any barbecue, which we're gonna head out to. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. You can grab the full recipe over at goodcook.com. Bye.